Hi everybody, welcome back. This is the third video in 1 week on this channel, which is unheard of. But today I received another mystery box. This one is from Matlock. It's from the Lost Cauldron. I'm excited about it. It's a one-off, so there won't be a series of these. I have shopped from the Lost Cauldron in person and online, and I saw this pop up and thought, ooh, that sounds interesting. If you can see an ear, by the way, this is Inigo again on my desk. And this, no, other side, that is Archie, just curled up on the chair in Middle Earth. Anyway, cats aside, so this arrived and I'm excited to see what's inside it. They are partnered with the Lonely Broomstick in Scotland, and I've done videos on their stuff before as well. So let's, I'll put you into top-down view. Let's get inside and see what we've got. Okay, so here's the box. 5 to 8 enchanting treasures and candles, stationery, sweets, homeware, potions, who knows, could be anything. Okay, and on the front, there we are. I'm quite excited to open this. Okay, it's open, and on removing this, we've got a lot of squiggly bits, and that looks exciting, right? I'll just pull them out one at a time. Okay, the first thing that we have is this All Hallows Eve. I'm assuming it's a candle. This is nice decoration. Oh, wow. Look at that swirly goodness. And it's a nice glass candlestick. Okay, actually, you know, that smells quite nice. Let me see what the notes are. Okay, it says a sweet Halloween treat, and it's got rich buttery coffee draped over crisp apples with hints of juicy peach, warm vanilla, and a dusting of sugar. Okay, fine. I can barely read that. Ridiculous. Honestly, that is the smallest writing like ever. I have to get a magnifying glass out. I am not that old. It's too small. Okay, pop that there and move on to the next one. Okay, this is very light, so it's definitely not a candle, but I love the box. Look at that, crisp apple and peach, but it's tea. Okay, oh wow. Okay, so cool. Nice cup of tea. What else is in here? Oh look, little tea bags. That is brilliant. So if you don't have a teapot, then yeah, who doesn't have a teapot? This is England. Okay, fine. There we go. Can't get the lid back on. I'll just leave that there. Very attractive looking though, right? Okay, next we have this charming necklace. It's a cauldron and a moon. Very pretty. The moon's got some like little sparkly glittery bits in it. It says, bound by magic, fierce and free, 3 souls entwined in unity. With charms that link our bond is set in moon's embrace, our paths have met. Keep this necklace close and tight for sisters of shadow, heart and light. Oh my goodness. Okay. Well done on the poetry there. Okay, so it's a decent chain, and we've got the little moon and the cauldron. That is sweet. Okay, actually would wear that. That's very nice. Right, next we got got a little ghosty keychain. The ghost with the most, glow in the dark. Oh my god, fun. Okay, let's put him with the ghosty candle. Okay, next in some purple wrapping. What is this? Oh, it's a little potion. Oh, how cute. Calming potion, except it's like crystals. They look like amethyst type crystals. It says, behold the soothing energy of amethyst, a protective crystal for deepening one's connection to the spiritual realm. Keep close to ward off negative energies. Okay. I like it. Very nice. That I will keep with my other items. I have a lot of potions, it's nuts. Oh, cute. Okay, look at this. Next, we have a mug. I'm going to have to move this stuff. Oh, black cat and pumpkin mug. Yes. All right, here it is in all its glory. This is a really good sized mug. Look at this. That is super nice. Good quality ceramic. You know, it's kind of rustic. It's not porcelain, but it's very nice. And it's a really good size, like gardener's mug, you know? Okay, cool. Everything is a keeper so far, you know what I mean? She'll just move these out the way to give us a bit more space. Next, we appear to have a print of some kind. Nice that it's sealed with a little bit of magical tape. And let's see what this is. Oh, it's the shop. Okay. It's the Lost Cauldron. Okay, that's nice. Look at the little ghosty doing their shopping. I like the window displays, very nice. Okay. Okay, and then last but not least, pumpkin pie scented incense gift set. This is very nice. I like the box. Nice wooden box. We've got some of those cone things, an actual pumpkin as the holder, and then a bunch of incense sticks. So let's give it a sniff and just see what it's actually like. I must admit, pumpkin is absolutely not one of my favourite scents. Okay, I'm assuming this is... Oh no, it's an opener. I thought it was a slider, but it's an opener. And be careful, because you might get a splinter like I have just literally done. Okay, it's not the smoothest surface. Okay, so there they are. There's quite a few. Let's have a sniff. You know what? Those are really lovely. They're not too strong at all. Because, you know, sometimes, especially pumpkin spice, it just smells overwhelming. These aren't. These are actually super nice, and I will definitely be burning those. And as for this little cutie, how adorable is that? Smashing. All right, well, I think that's everything. Let me just check the box. It is. So here we go. Here's the information sheet so that you can read all about it if you'd like to. You know, it tells you what the recommended retail price of each of the items is, so that's nice. And yeah, so my favourite items, probably, let's see, and I'm such a girl, the necklace, the tea I won't drink, but I know someone who will, cute, love, and also love. Yeah, I think that's about it, isn't it? All right then, do let me know what you think about the box. Personally, I'm really pleased with it. It was only $39.99. It was a decent price. I think I got my money's worth, certainly for the things that I'm going to keep and use for myself. And that's that. So that will be the last video for a while, I think now. I hope you've enjoyed this one. Take care and stay safe, everybody. Bye. Hi. This is Inigo. Don't put your nose in the candle. That'd be very silly. Oh, you're a div. You're a divot. Hi, everybody. Welcome back. It's a disastrous record.